Hey, have you ever tried to back up at night with tinted windows? You're looking through the back window of my truck. I can't see anything. Backing up at night with tinted windows is almost impossible, especially when I'm out there doing DoorDash deliveries. But today I'm fixing that problem by adding extra lights to the bumper of my '96 Tacoma. This is an upgrade that makes a huge difference, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. All right, here's what I'm using for this install. These are my bumper lights. They're LED lights, projector and floodlight combo. Real simple setup, nothing crazy. They come with all the hardware. I got them from a buddy, but I found them on Amazon, so I'll leave the link down in the description. First thing I'm gonna do is figure out where to mount them. I want to put them so that they shine straight back. That way, I'll get a wide spread of light when I'm backing up. I could mount them here at the ends of the bumper, and my tailgate would still clear them when I open it. But they would add bulk to the bumper. So I'm going to make cutouts on the bumper so they mount behind it, like this. I think it'll look much better. I'm underneath the truck behind the bumper. I'll make cutouts here, and the light will mount here. I think it'll look better. I'm gonna take the bumper off to make it easy. I made this L-shaped bracket out of angle iron to mount the lights to the bumper. And this is what it looks like. I will be welding this part to the top of the bumper. I'll show you. Here's the bumper. Trace your light over the holes that you drilled. Now cover the hole with a piece of cardboard and some tape so that when you mount the light, it doesn't sink outside of the hole too much. You'll know it'll be flush with the bumper, like that. Okay, guys, I got the bumper back on. I got the lights mounted. That's what they look like. Now we're gonna move to wiring it up. And the harness from the taillights comes down here. As you can see, I've already pulled the wires that I need to tap into. So the red one with the black stripe is the reverse light circuit. And the white one with the black stripe is the ground. So that's where you're gonna tie your wires coming out from the lights too. I decided to solder the connections, and now I'm just gonna wrap them up with some electrical tape and do the other side. Alright guys, lights are mounted, wired up, and everything's working. Let's check them out at night. This is what backing up used to look like with tinted windows. You basically can't see anything. Right now I'm looking through the back window, so watch when I put it in reverse. Way brighter, no more guessing where I'm going. Honestly, one of the best upgrades you can do if you deliver at night or live out in the country. Now let's check them out outside of the truck.